So today we're going to be making pancakes with banana and caramel drizzle. So let's begin. So I'm going to add 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of plain flour, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 50 ml of milk. Just going to whisk this up. So as you can see, it's a smooth batter. So I'm going to drizzle with some olive oil. I'm just going to allow this to cook on a high heat. Just loosen up the sides. And flip over. This cooks very, very quickly. So I'm going to be using Carnation caramel drizzle. Then I'm going to add some chopped bananas. I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. And I've just added some whipped cream. So here we go, our pancakes with banana and caramel drizzle. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks for watching.